Hey all, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are doing well. So I have a topic that every girl talks about, which is hair. My hair is fussy. If you don't know me, I am originally from South Africa. I did my DNA test to prove to the world that I'm actually pure African, and I don't use the word pure to say those who are not, some people are not pure Africans. I'm just pointing out that all of my DNA comes from Africa, and that's something that I treasure and appreciate. I also live in America now. So just to give you a quick background, but don't forget to check my DNA results. If you don't believe me, I'm going to link to them somewhere here. But anyway, I wanted to talk about hair today. So as I said, I'm from Africa, and in Africa we come in all shapes, sizes, like height. We come in with all phenotypes, skin colors, from albino to the darkest, like African. And so we have everything in between. And so that's the beauty of Africa. We all look diverse. By the way, there's nothing that says an African looks this way, because we have everything: narrow nose, thin lips, you name it, we have it. Okay, we also have different textures when it comes to our hair. Some Africans have loose hair, and some Africans like me have the coarsest hair in the world. Okay, we have very coarse hair. I just don't know how I can describe it. So what I'm going to do, and the reason actually I'm bringing this video up is because a lot of people, they go around taking their hair as fussy hair, which kind of offends me, because I'm like, if you have loose curls, or you have hair that can literally just grow and like in a more straight pattern, then maybe you shouldn't be calling your hair fussy. But maybe they do have the true fussy hair, and I have 4Z or 5Z. My hair is the coarsest hair I've ever seen. Okay, I have friends who are, one of them is from Botswana. Her hair is probably close to mine in terms of being coarse. But anyway, so this is what I'm going to do first before I tell you about my hair. So okay, so I hope you can see it. So I'm going to just touch my hair so you can hear how it how it sounds. It literally has a sound, okay, when I touch it. Okay, so this is my hair in its natural state. Right now I actually have oil in my hair, and you can feel it when you touch my hair, but you would not be able to tell just by looking at my hair, because my hair just coils. Okay, by coil I don't mean like coil in a loose pattern or in a straight pattern. I mean coil to my scalp. This is after I've actually finger combed it. When I wake up, it's like, all the way to my scalp. That's how, how much it coils. And so I don't know what I can do, to be honest with you, to make it soft without losing the natural pattern, if that makes sense. Because I have a hard time, most of the time I don't comb my hair for that reason. So I just finger comb it, and then on wash days, then I try to comb it out as much as I can. But what I wanted to say is that my hair, to be honest with you, I had, as you know, locks for 8 years. Those who don't know what locks are, the thing that some people call dreadlock. I had locks for 8 years, and so I was kind of ready for the change, and I was really excited about it, and I'm still excited about it, because I don't mind not sitting for hours, under a dryer, or someone having to retwist my hair. Which, by the way, next time I have locks, I'm not going to retwist every month. It's going to be every 3 months or 6 months before I can retwist. But to get back to my topic is, so I'm having a hard time really moisturizing my hair. So what I've been actually doing is to take water every time when I'm in the shower. Just put water on in my hair, and then while I'm still in the shower, I'll put like a moisturizer and a leave-in conditioner. The leave-in conditioner that I've been using is actually not, let me show you. So here's the products that I've been using. I know you're probably thinking, what in the world, Mama D? But the reason why I've been using this, I ran out of my raw shea butter. Usually Kit is the one who goes and buys the stuff, and then she mixes it for me with natural oils and give it to me. But I ran out, so I was like, I have these, I'll just use this. But these do not work for my hair. They don't do a good job at all. Shea butter actually does a good job, and also they dry my scalp, giving me like dandruff and stuff. So I don't like that. And I will go back to using my raw shea butter, but I need something to moisturize it. So as I said, I put water, and then I put like the sealant, so to speak. And water seems to be the only thing that moisturizes my hair in a way that allows me to comb it out easily when I'm done. Okay, it's very effective, and I'm not afraid of water at all. It's just that then when that water dries, my hair is left very dry in a way, and so I kind of have to do that regimen daily in order for me to get the benefits and my hair not to go too dry. So I'm actually having a hard time. Sorry, a hard time. Did I just speak? Yeah, I did. I'm having a hard time really keeping up with my hair. I haven't bought a wig or anything like that. Actually, I do have an old wig. Let me show you that. Okay, so this is my very, very old wig. I've had this wig for I don't know how many years. I bought it like, I think paid $29 like over 10 years ago when I had my short hair the last time. You know, like some people are comfortable with a wig and are uncomfortable with their natural hair. I'm the opposite. I prefer my natural hair, and but as I said, sometimes it's kind of a challenge to keep everything, you know, like the way I want it. I want my hair to be soft. Really, that's the advice. If you guys have any advice on how to keep true fussy, moisturized and soft, not just moisturized, but soft as well. Not soft in a way that straightens my hair. No, I don't want to straighten my hair. I don't want to use anything that will break down the texture of my hair. I just something to keep my want something to keep my hair short. Sorry, not short, but moisturized and soft. And so, but anyway, so that's really the challenge that I'm having, and I'm at that stage where if I wanted to, I could get locks, because locks are kind of easier in terms of, you know, like I think taking care of them. I don't know, but I also love the fact that I don't have to sit for hours under, you know, like a dryer, as I said, and somebody retwist my hair all the time. So, but anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And by the way, I want to say, this is not a step on anyone. I'm just pointing out that even within Fossey, there's a huge variety, and mine being at the, you know, like the coarsest of all that hair. And there are people who have, you know, like loose textures, but they're still African and all of that. So this is not a step on anyone, and I hope you don't take it that way. But give me advice. I usually, people, when they come with these videos, they got it down and they want to share. In my case, I feel like I have it down in a sense of, you know, I know what's good for my hair. It's just that doing that daily, it's kind of, you know, can be a challenge a little bit. And also, oh, I don't like the fact that this is in my face. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And to the people who've been with me for a long time. I truly appreciate your support. Even when sometimes you know, like, you go off and watch other things, and sometimes you come back, and I always appreciate that, and I always love to hear from you all, and I hope you guys are doing well. And I am going to go have lunch now with Mr. Luke. It's a Saturday, and we're just gonna have lunch and then go on with our day. And I hope you have a wonderful weekend. I love you all. Bye.